Play with that. Tack, tack, tack. Yeah, this guy is playing, but this one doesn't play. Same sound. Sienna 2006 52 something 3.3 liter V6 engine, Lexus or Toyota. When you have tick 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 sound, mostly it could be if you open the camshaft, install it, and you have a still tick 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 tick. Possible it has a for this twin cam. These two, there are two gears. Sorry, two gears. Between these two are a spring. If the spring is not pressed, you will have tick 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 between when the gears are connecting to each other. They have a tick 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 between these two gears. So I did remove this one, the intake one, and you need to push this one backward, the right side back toward front, and put the bolt for this hole. You see that? So you adjust it, then install that one, then you remove this bolt. Thank you.